dumelang bakgotsi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lebitso la ka ke Mpho. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Click that subscribe button, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for sticking by. I really appreciate you guys. Today re tlo shebana le swimming pool. It's been weeks since Maria Fitile and my pool looked this disgusting. It was green with algae and stuff, so we put on this algae side. It's a product, it's amazing product, I must say. So I'm walking around the pool, like the whole pool. This is how my pool looked an hour later. It was so disgusting. Those things looked like dandruff flakes. So I had hope because it showed her that product was actually working. And when we switch on the pool light, this is how far you could see the light. It was not going all the way through the pool. Yeah. Okay, but here there was hope the following day, because this is how our pool looked. It still looked dirty, so we put on those two products at the same time. And the product still had the switch on the pool pump, and that foam is actually a sign your pool was being scraped off the dirt. And 2 days later, this is how my pool looked. I must say my pool looked clearer, but it was still milky. So we put those two products, and we also did full maintenance by ourselves. We took out the sand because it had to be changed after 3 years. So it's been 3 years since we installed the pool, so we were changing the sand. After the sand, we put that super clear product, and I must say that product works so beautifully. And 6 days from the first clip, this is how my pool looked nice and sparkly and shiny, and the water looked so clear and clean. You can literally drink from the pool. Oh, this is gonna be a great summer. Yo, in there, you guys, you'd say we changed medical feel, but it was all those chemicals. Ne? It only took 6 days. So these are the before and after photos. You see, that's a huge difference. And here, remember this clip? That's where I showed you where the light was going. Now, after we put all those products, this is how the light was behaving. It showed throughout the pool. We're going to swim at night. We're gonna do skinny dipping. It's gonna be a nice summer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you get inspired to do your own pool.